Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your board cover in Pinterest. It's pretty simple. First you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and come to your profile. And on your profile you will see the section called boards. Click on boards. Inside over here it's going to display all the boards which you have created. Click on the board whose profile you want to change or cover. Then click on the three dot at the top right of the screen and click on edit board. From over here it's going to show you your board cover. So my board cover is this little dumpling. You can see the little pencil icon right beside the picture or my board cover. Once you click on it, you can select any picture you want from your board to act as a board cover. So I will choose this and I can even resize it if I want to and click on done. And just like this, I can click on done again at the top and it's going to be changed. So that's how you guys can change your board cover in Pinterest. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys and help fix your problem.